A rock border along the edge of a patio adds a nice look while helping define the planting area. It also serves the practical function of keeping soil and mulch in place. First, prepare the area by raking away any mulch and topsoil. Along the patio edge, spread out the rocks you'll be using. You should sort them roughly in size in order you'll think they'll look best. It'll be helpful to have a collection of small stones on hand too. Loosen the soil at least 3 or 4 inches deep along the area where the rocks will be placed, but don't remove it. This soil is full of clay, and I should have soaked it the night before in order to soften it for easier digging. Now, working with one rock at a time, choose the face which aligns best with the patio or looks the most appealing. Scoop away the soil from where it will rest and fit the rock against the edge of the concrete. You may need to do some additional digging to get the rock to sit in the desired position. Your objective is to have the face of the rock roughly 90 degrees to the patio surface. The backside is irrelevant since it will simply get backfilled with dirt. Move on to the next rock and do the same, but this time also work to find the side that mates best with the previous rock. If one particular rock doesn't seem to fit well, just grab another. You can use small stones to fill in any irregular gaps between the larger ones. Once you have 2 or 3 rocks well fit, begin backfilling them with the loose dirt. Work the dirt down under each rock so there aren't any voids remaining. In this way, proceed along the entire edge. Be patient and work out the best fit with each rock. Once complete, water down the soil so that it settles securely around each rock. Then spread the topsoil back into place and add your mulch. All that's left is cleanup.